Hey folks, Dr. Dustin Patrick at Rivers End Dental. I wanted to make a video for you about 3D printed masks. I got a call last week from the hospital asking us if we could donate some masks because they're running low. I hadn't realized it had gotten that bad, and since looking into it, it's getting pretty bad all over the country. We are seeing patients still for emergencies, but between those emergency patients, I've been working on a project with our 3D printer for how to do that. I'm going to go ahead and show you a little bit of the process and tell you about it. If you have questions, please reach out to me. I'm going to turn this around so I can go show you everything. Okay, here's our 3D printer. And normally when you're probably asking why does a dentist have a 3D printer, dentistry is super cool now. I'll usually use it to, I'll take somebody that's missing a tooth that wants to get a dental implant, and after doing their 3D x-ray scan here in our office, we can actually, I can go ahead and print them up a little jig that will go into their mouth. Sorry, I'm trying to do this holding the camera. Go into their mouth, and then I can place the implant precisely where I want it. So I use that same 3D printing technology to make this mask. And so you'll see there's a little more to this mask than just 3D printing because there's like some yellow stuff on there. But this is like a rubber silicone material that we dentists use for impressions, and I use that to customize it to my face. And then inside you'll see there's like a filter. That's actually a mask filter that this can be replaced. The rest of it can be cleaned and disinfected so that it can be used repeatedly and only have to use a small amount of material. So that's the mask, and you'll see I'm going to post on the website a link to another page that there's a dentist out there that's done a little simpler design that is a lot easier to print. And I think if I'm doing some more of these, I'm going to use that simple design to 3D print that. So I'm going to flip this around and talk to you. All right, folks, that's it. That's a 3D printed mask. If you have a 3D printer, you're interested in making one, you can go to our website, riversenddental.com. At the top, I've created a page there, and mostly that page is going to take you to some other dentist page. It's pretty cool. Obviously, these are not FDA approved. It's unprecedented that we're running out of masks and even considering this kind of stuff. But it's out there, and if we get enough people that feel like this is important and necessary, maybe the hospitals will be asking for these masks. In order to get it customized, you really kind of have to go to a dentist or somebody who has those special materials to do that. I'm not in the business of making customized masks for people. I'm not going to be selling those, nor do I have enough material to do it. If there is enough of a demand, or even hospitals are saying, hey, this is something that we need, then I'm sure we can coordinate efforts with dental suppliers and other dentists who have time right now to help out with that. We are seeing people for emergencies only, and so it's not like I can have somebody come in and bring me their 3D printed mask and do that for them. It's just restricted, but that could change if we continue to have shortages, and we're willing to be flexible and look outside the box. Anyway, I hope you all are doing well, staying safe. You know, for any of our patients out there, we miss you right now, but things will get back to normal, and we'll be smiling just like normal. And I hope you guys stay smiling and stay safe. Have a good one. This is Dr. Patrick at Rivers End Dental. We can't wait to make you smile.